Several days into the investigation by the SIT, as far as the Dharmasthala case is concerned, not too much has been found from the spots which were identified by the complainants as places where he had claimed that several bodies were buried. Now, initial few days, of course, didn't yield any results. Then it was spot number 6 where a few skeletal remains were found. But then again, there were local, panchayat officials who had claimed that the panchayat officials or even the locals could have even buried bodies of people who had lost their lives, and it necessarily doesn't mean that these could be skeletal remains of those who were allegedly murdered. Now, despite that, of course, the process continued of exhumation. Several locations were searched. Now, spot number 13 was the final on the list, which were already marked as per the details provided by the complainants, but here too nothing substantial was found by the investigating officials. Right now the government is contemplating whether the exhumation should go on. Several legislators during a Congress legislator party meet had suggested that somewhere the Dharmasthala investigation could boomerang, but the top leadership, including the Chief Minister, was of the opinion that the public are in fact happy that it's an SIT that's investigating the matter and the truth should emerge, whatever that may be. But with nothing being found even at spot number 13, we are told that no longer will the SIT probably care to go ahead with the exhumation process, at least while the investigation continues. Now, we'll have to really see with other complainants as well who have come forward making different claims about murders or missing people in Dharmasthala, and pressure supposedly even building on the SIT to search even more locations. What will the government do? What will the SIT do in this regard is something that remains to be seen. We'll really have to see, have we seen the end of this entire drama, or is there more, considering the fact that I'm told that BJP legislators are also planning to go to Dharmasthala in a couple of days, where it will be a symbolic protest of sorts by the Bharatiya Janata Party legislators, who have maintained that while an investigation could have been required, but somewhere there seems to be an attempt to malign the temple and the officials there, is some of the claims that have come in from the legislators of the Bharatiya Janata Party.